Hi everybody. Well, there's probably never been a season of the block where guest rooms are more important, but getting them just right is kind of tricky. It's a bit like the Goldilocks room, not too big, not too small, but just right. House 3, Sharon and Ankur won this week, and they're really trying to find their way through understanding style to also really trying to be mindful of what buyers want come auction day. Someone who really is on their money with that is house number 4, Dylan and Jenny. I think that team are really ones to watch in that they're really chipping away, that they're really thinking hard around what that eventual buyer is going to want, while also really executing things to a very high standard. I also thought their walk-in robe was absolutely beautiful and will definitely suit a family who may have lots of children and want them to have their own bedroom. I loved Rachel and Ryan's house. I disagree with the judges that I think that out-of-town buyers are really going to want a contemporary layer added throughout the whole house, not just the new part of the house. And I thought the size of their room was really beautiful. I thought the colours and I thought the whole ambiance and feel of it was on the money for the buyer that they are appealing to. I also really loved house number 1 for Tom and Sarah Jane, that beautiful wallpaper that reflected the outside view of the Macedon Ranges. I thought it was a lovely, gentle reminder to people that you are somewhere very special in the beating heart of rural Victoria.